In a recent shakeup, Google has rolled out a massive algorithm update that's poised to change the landscape of the internet as we know it. This is one of the biggest shifts in the online world today, yet it's flying under the radar. But this video will shed some light on what's happening. If you've ever searched for something like air purifier reviews, you were probably looking for genuine expert content. Take housefresh.com, for instance. Founded in 2020 by Giselle Navarro and her husband, the site focused on indoor air quality. They tested air purifiers, wrote detailed articles, and quickly rose to the top of Google's search results. Their team grew to 15 full-timers. However, a major change hit them last September with a new Google algorithm update. Giselle described it as devastating. Search terms that once led to HouseFresh started directing users to large lifestyle magazines, often featuring inaccurate and poorly researched information. Another update in March further crippled their traffic, dropping their daily visitors from thousands to just 100. HouseFresh had to lay off most of their team and now faces the possibility of shutting down. Google claims these changes are made to enhance user experience, offering resources and feedback mechanisms for website owners. They believe these updates ultimately benefit the web. Recently, Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced an even bigger change: the introduction of AI-generated answers in search results, called AI Overviews. This new feature aims to provide quick, AI-generated responses to user queries. Pichai argues this will make searches more helpful and efficient, utilizing generative AI on an unprecedented scale. This transition from a search engine to a search and answer engine is monumental, sparking concerns among small businesses that rely on Google for traffic. For the past 2 years, Google has focused on making search results more useful. However, many website owners who follow Google's guidelines feel left behind. Let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. It's a strategy to improve web page rankings on Google, crucial for millions of businesses. Unfortunately, SEO can be misused. Some websites prioritize algorithm-pleasing content over quality, leading to spammy results for searches like best sneakers for women, filled with ads and affiliate links but lacking real information. To combat this, Google released a helpful content update in 2022 aimed at eliminating low-quality, spammy websites. Further updates in September 2023 and March 2024 continued this trend. Google claims that these efforts reduced low-quality content by 45%. However, according to analytics tools SEMrush, many established websites, such as Urban Dictionary and Oprah Daily, saw a significant drop in traffic. These updates have hit some website owners and SEO professionals hard. Meanwhile, Reddit has experienced a surge in popularity. Users add Reddit to their searches to find genuine opinions rather than SEO-driven fluff. Google is surfacing more content from communities like Reddit because users value shared experiences. However, this means that while some sites gain traffic, others lose out, leaving many small bloggers and website owners feeling targeted. The biggest controversy revolves around Google's new AI-generated answers. Google claims these overviews will boost traffic by highlighting relevant links, but they haven't provided data to support this. Critics like Katie Berry from Housewife How-Tos believe that if Google's AI answers users' questions, people will stop visiting their sites. Her traffic dropped 70% after the 2022 update and continued to decline with the AI tests. Travel writer David Lader has a similar story. His article on the best slot canyons near Las Vegas was replaced by an inaccurate AI-generated response, causing his traffic to plummet by 95%. Google acknowledges that their AI can make mistakes and is working to improve accuracy. Google's AI overviews use generative AI to summarize search results, which seems promising but is not foolproof. There have been some bizarre AI errors, such as recommending eating rocks for minerals and putting glue on pizza. These mistakes occur because AI lacks true understanding and relies on what's popular. If a satirical article gains traction, AI might take it seriously. Google is trying to address these issues, but it's a game of whack-a-mole. AI doesn't have our values and can amplify biases and inaccuracies found online. While Google uses reinforcement learning from human feedback to filter out the worst content, some errors persist. If we rely solely on AI summaries and stop clicking on links, Google's business model could suffer. Moreover, AI-generated content might lower the web's overall quality. If AI tools begin training on their own outputs, it could lead to a cycle of amplified errors and biases. This could degrade the quality of online content, making accurate human-generated information harder to find. With billions being invested in AI globally, governments are beginning to consider regulations to ensure responsible use. Unlike industries like pharmaceuticals or automotive, tech companies haven't faced stringent controls, but this may change. Google's rapid AI push is a response to competition from OpenAI and Microsoft. While they previously emphasized responsible AI use, their current speed may compromise quality and reliability. These AI-generated responses can be more than just amusing or odd. They can be dangerous, spreading misinformation about health, safety, and other critical issues. As Google works to fix these problems, the rapid deployment of AI makes it challenging to keep pace. The impact on content creators is significant. Websites providing accurate, detailed information are losing traffic as Google's AI takes over. This isn't just about losing visitors. It's about the potential decline in quality information online. So, what does this mean for the future of search? AI is here to stay, and its role will only expand. How it's integrated is crucial. Google's current approach has ignited a debate about balancing innovation with responsibility. They need to ensure their tools improve user experience without compromising the quality and trustworthiness of information. This situation is a wake-up call for regulators. Just as we have rules to keep harmful drugs off the market, we might need regulations to ensure AI is used responsibly. The stakes are high, and the impact on society is profound. What do you think? Is Google helping or hurting the web with these changes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.